Okay, we are recording. Hi, hello. This is update to my VTuber character. What's new? I hand painted these textures and also normal map. In addition to the color, not sure if it's really noticeable, but I think if I painted the normal map, I should be able to like move the light. But I'm not really sure what shortcut. It is kind of working, I think. So they are affected by lighting. Now I can't find my original one. I think it's this. Also added some more expressions. Now I can look left, I can look right, and even down. There isn't expression for looking up yet, but maybe won't even add that. I don't think it's that necessary. And these flowers, let me zoom in, were also a nice addition. Not sure how to zoom in though. Yeah, now I found the button. So I have these hand-painted flowers, also the crown is hand-painted now. It seems like there are some artifacts, but yeah. Going to be there for now. Just wanted to show this off. If you have any suggestions for the background, please let me know. I was thinking of painting or drawing a cemetery. Before I forget, let's also fastly toggle through some new expressions. And my favorite one. New favorite one. Angry was before. Oh, there are still some expression overlapping, but overall I'm happy with this now. Bye!